Some boys are playing badminton. Pamasakara badminton sanari. They are not very expert. Moyamna hibtinate. They are learning. These boys are playing volleyball. Volleyball sanari. I am walking in the fields. The sun is almost setting. A few vehicles are flying. I can see a bolero there. Aina bolero ama sida uba phangi. This is called paddy or rice. These are called grass. The cattle eat them. Cattle ladi saniroi na sing basi cattle kawi. Saniroi sing na chai. Sasan sing na chai buharisuko. I can see a stick here. I masida chai am ubo phangi. I am picking up the stick. I now zig chai du lokat le. I am dropping it now. I na masibo amka makada thadare. See kaudang here. Nakoy na sida kaudang ubo phangi. Kaudang ay lisan gi mati. This is mud. Masilaybak ni. Mud kawai ko. Natraga laybak maton gi laybak ki maton thamba prithvi gi maton thangba ja koina swell ju kawai. Si mud har su ai. Aduga si mayam si adum swell hai bi ai. You can call this straw or hay. Masina koina charu hai na kawai ai ko. Si charu ni straw natraga hay hai na khangne ba charu si. We used to play in the straw when we were kids. Kuna ngang wearing aida. Charu da sanai. Ash. Ash hai ko. Koi gi kano se. Sigi pot se kai hai. Ut se. Kuna ash hai na kawai ba. A-S-H. Ash hai ba. Many boys are exercising there. Exercising. Many boys. Many boys are. Boys has a plural never. Plural ID amadagi hen bako. Aduna iski mahuta are sinaganever. Me amakaktang weragadi. A boy is playing. A boy is exercising. Haganever. Ado mi yamanina are haineva. There is a canal. Masida canel amalay, nalah amalay haine. The water here is dirty. Masigi singsi motly. Very dirty harani yamna motly. Sigumbas ising asenba. Pazana sielaga laibo aragadi source mafum sana pazana laga sen boragadi stream haina zukhangna ganeba stream ko. The bamboos are tall. Wasing si wangi han. They almost touch the sky. Makoina atiabu socket away. And they almost touch the sky. Sky is beautiful. Adi atiasi amna pazai. The sky is blue in color. Atiasi hikok masuni. Makoina motorbike toure. Burning fire. May chak burning fire. Fire. May. Had this short patako. wet haine so lagati wet WET taribse mithai gi magi maku plastic tuni ko wrapper haine khangne wrapper sweets wrapper haine. He's wearing an orange and black jacket. Orange amasung black jacket ama happy. He wears a cap too. Matupi amasu upi. There is a school building nearby. Anak pada school building amalay. Hari. Kay no, ay imine ba. Si kay hani, my shadow hani. SHADOW. Shadow hani. Adagi just mummy laydana shadow na taba. Kogi picture bo ramo ko. Adugum ba kogi image. Sina image hani ba. IMAGE image hani ba. Sina shadow ne ba. Jing si ubra. Jing mayam se. Mountains haine su khangnai, hills haine su khangnai ko. Mountain ranges po haro ko. Adu hills ka mountains ka khar khenab dilai. Diga sugumba macha makha da lai riba. Sugumba sina hillock haine su khangnai ko. Ada mai khu kari su ubra. Mai fajan chai bako yam thap khrabina fajan di udre ko singda sumaina chak pakanda kono wildfire haina khangne ba lamai ga ba wildfire haina ba